Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm back with another content on how to download Cash App application on your PC. In order to download Cash App application on your PC, you'll need to download an Android emulator. There are many Android emulators that are available throughout the internet, so you can go ahead and open up a web browser if you don't have an Android emulator and in the search box, and go to the search box and type in Android emulator, download for PC and make your search. Android emulators are the software that are designed to mimic the hardware and software of an Android mobile device for development and test purposes. The Android emulator will help you run applications that are made for your Android devices. You can download any Android emulators. I would recommend BlueStacks Android emulator since I also have the same one installed on my device. So click on this link right here that will take you to www.bluestacks.com, and soon after you do that, click on the download BlueStacks 5 application. You can go through this link right here and view all of the versions of your Android emulator and download it on your device. Once you download the Android emulator, simply click it open. Wait for a few moments until the application starts. As soon as it opens, you'll be able to see a Play Store option from this page. Click it on. You might also need to log into your Google account, entering your Google account's credential to open up this Play Store. And all of the applications that you can find for the Android application will be displayed on this page. Simply go to the search box at the top of the screen and search for Cash App in order to download the application on your PC. Once you find the application in the search results, click it open, and now right next to the application you'll be able to see a button that says Install. Click it on in order to begin the downloading process. To download your application quickly, you'll need to be connected to a strong internet. Wait until the download is done and installed on your device. After the application gets downloaded, you'll be able to use it on your desktop as well. But in order to do that, you'll need to open up your BlueStacks and open up Cash App application from the list of the application that you have downloaded. How to open an account on Cash App on your desktop in the future. Now let's get started. Start by opening up a web browser. After you open up your web browser, in the address bar, type in cash.app and press enter. This will take you to its official website. Now click on the sign in button at the top in order to start opening an account. Enter your email or the mobile number that you'd like to use for signing up. You can type in either your email or your phone number and click on this box right here where it says request sign-in code. Now you'll need to type in the confirmation code that has been emailed to the email address that you just typed in. Open up a new tab and quickly go to your email inbox by signing into your particular email accounts. Open up the inbox that you received from Cash App by clicking on it and copy the code that has been sent to you. Paste it in or simply type it in your Cash App tab. Now you'll need to add a bank using your debit card. Type in the debit card number at the top of the screen. Type in your expiration date on the next. Type in the CVV number and then your postcode and click on Save Card in order to add a bank account on your Cash App. After adding a bank account, you can use the account in order to issue payments, and you can also receive money through it. Click on Save Card to save your changes, but if you'd like to skip this process for now, you can click on Skip and do it later. Now, on the next page, type in the Cash App for yourself. Make sure to choose a unique cash tag while creating your cash tag. If the cash tag is available, you'll be able to see this level at the bottom right here. If not, you won't be able to move on to the next step. Click on Next after you're done. Type in the postcode into the text box and click Confirm. Now type in a mobile number in the text box and click Next. Enter the confirmation code that has been sent to your mobile number and click on Confirm. And that is how you'll be able to open up a Cash App account on your desktop. How to log into Cash App on your PC. Now let's get started. You'll need to first download BlueStacks Android emulator in order to log into your Cash App application on your PC. So make sure you've downloaded one, and also you'll need to download the Cash App application into the emulator. Simply go to the Play Store if you've not yet and download the Cash App application. After you have it, click it open, and this is how it appears. Start by entering your email address or your phone number that is associated with your Cash App account. In my case, I'm going to type in my email address and click on the Next button at the bottom right. Now type in the confirmation code into the text box that has been sent to your email address that you just typed in. Open up your email inbox and click open the email that you received from Cash App and simply copy the code from the display, go back to your Android emulator, paste it in, and click on the next button at the bottom. Wait for a few seconds. Now, if you've enabled the Cash Pin security on your Cash App, then you'll need to type in your security code. Simply type it in by selecting from the keypad at the bottom. And soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your Cash App on your PC. How to change your Cash App password or the Cash App pin on your Cash App application. Start off by tapping open your Cash App application from your app drawer. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you are, go to the human icon at the top right corner and tap it on. Now this will open up your profile. Tap on Privacy and Security option, and under Security, if you would like to change your PIN because you suspect another person may have your older PIN, then you can simply tap on the Change Cash PIN option at the bottom. Once you tap on that, you'll need to enter your old cash PIN, and soon after you do that, on the next page, enter the new cash PIN that you'd like to change to. Confirm your cash PIN by typing it again, wait for a few seconds, and there you have successfully changed your cash PIN for your Cash App account. How to add a card to Cash App. Now let's get started. Tap open your Cash App application from the app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you are, go to the building icon at the bottom left corner from the home page. From these options displayed on the screen, you can either link a bank or link a debit card by tapping on one of the options. In my case, I'm tapping on this link debit card option. Now, add a bank using your debit card by typing the debit card number in the text field. Once you do that, type in your expiration date for your card, type in your CVV number, and then type in your postcode. After you do that, tap on Next, and you'll be able to add a card on Cash App. How to add someone on Cash App. Now let's get started. Start by tapping open your Cash App application from your app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your Cash App account. Now tap on the human icon at the upper right hand corner from your home page. Once you get to this page, tap on Invite Friends button right below your name and cash tag. And soon after you do that, in the pop-up screen, you can either manually enter a name into the to text box right here. You can also type in the email address or their phone number and search. In your contact list, you'll be able to scroll through the contact and tap on any contact that you want to invite by tapping on the green button that says Get $5 right next to their name. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see a text message appearing on your mobile phone that includes your referral code. Simply edit the text if you'd like to customize it and then press the send button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to send an invitation to one of the contacts to join in Cash App. How to change Cash App PIN. The Cash App PIN allows people to send, receive, and store money online under the thick layer of security. If you've also enabled the Cash App PIN option for the security of your Cash App account, and now you'd like to change it if you think someone else might know your Cash App PIN, now let's get started. Open up your web browser and log into Cash App. Once you're logged into your account, go to the Settings menu at the left-hand side corner. Click it on, and on the next page, scroll all the way down under Security, and you'll be able to see an option that says Security Lock. To change your PIN, click on this Change PIN option. Now you'll need to enter the current PIN that you are using for your Cash App, so type it in correct. This will take you to the next pop-up. Here, you'll need to type in the new PIN that you'd like to change to. Confirm your new PIN by typing it again. Wait for a few seconds, and that is it. That way, you can change your PIN on Cash App to ensure a risk-free payment experience. How to contact Cash App. Maybe you got scammed and you have to talk to the Cash App support in order to resolve the issue. Then in that case, it's pretty easy to get in touch with Cash App support. Tap open the Cash App application and sign into your account if necessary. From the home page of Cash App, go and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now from this page, you'll be able to see an option that says Support. Tap it on. On the next page, you'll be able to see all of the options displayed on the screen. You'll simply need to recognize your problem and choose one of the options that matches yours to retrieve the solution from Cash App. If you'd like to talk to Cash App support directly, then tap on something else from this option. At the bottom of the menu, tap on Contact Support. And on the next page, go and tap on the email option at the bottom. In the pop-up, confirm your email address by tapping on Yes. And finally, on the next page, you can go ahead and describe your issue. Whatever issue you're having regarding your Cash App transactions, you can type it into the text box briefly and then tap on Continue at the bottom. How to send money on Cash App. Start by opening up your Cash App application or simply go visit cash.app in the web browser. In today's video, I'm going to go to the URL cash.app and press enter. From the official website of Cash App, click on the sign in button and log into your account if necessary. Once you're logged in, you'll end up in the activity page of Cash App. You can send money on Cash App if you know the recipient's phone number, email, or cash tag. Make sure you're also linked to a bank account. From your activity page of Cash App, go and click on the new button at the bottom left. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page. Simply go ahead and type in the amount that you'd like to pay by typing it here at the top. And now into the to text box, type in the name of the recipient. You can also type in their cash tag or their phone number and even email. You can type in any one of them. For example, let me go ahead and type in an email address over here. After you're done, you can also type in multiple contacts right here. For example, let me add one more to the list, and that way you can keep adding more if you'd like to make multiple payments at once. On the next text box, enter a note stating the purpose of your payment. Let me simply type in rent for now, and finally click on pay in order to make your payment, and your money will be sent to the recipient. How to add a bank to Cash App. Start by tapping open your Cash App application from your app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your account as well. Go to the home button at the bottom left corner and tap it on. In this page, tap on the link bank option from the display and simply follow the prompts by entering a bank sort code number and tapping on next. After you type in your bank details that the app asks you of, you'll be able to add a bank on Cash App. How to log out of your Cash App application. Now let's get started. In order to log out of your Cash App application, first let me go tap open my Cash App. Once you end up in the home page of Cash App, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. All of your cash balance that are available in your Cash App application will be displayed on this page. If you'd like to log out or sign out of your Cash App, you can simply tap on the human icon in the upper right hand corner. Once you do that, scroll all the way down and under enter referral code option, you'll be able to see sign out button in green. Simply tap on sign out and in the pop-up select OK to confirm your selection. Wait for a few seconds and there you are signed out of your Cash App application. To log back in again, you'll need to type in your phone number or your email address that is associated with the account. Once you do that, tap on the next button. Now enter the confirmation code that has been sent to the email address that is associated with your account. Simply go open the inbox and type in the sign-in code that has been sent to you. Soon after you type it in, tap next at the bottom. And there you will be logged into your Cash App account in no time. How to delete Cash App application from your Android device. There are two ways you can delete the Cash App application from your smartphone. I'm using my Android device for today's video. One way is to go through your app drawer and hide the Cash App application. Press hold the application for a while and in the pop-up menu, you should see a button that says uninstall. Tap on the uninstall button and in the pop-up, select OK to confirm your selection. After a few seconds, your application will be deleted from your smartphone. The other way to delete your application is to go to your settings from your app drawer and tap it on. Once you go to the settings menu, scroll all the way down until you find Apps option and tap it on. From the list of the applications that are installed on your device, tap on the search button at the top and then search for Cash App. In the search result that appears on the display, tap on Cash App and you'll end up in the app info page. From the app info page, go to the bottom of the page and tap on uninstall. In the pop-up, tap OK and you'll be able to delete your Cash App application from your smartphone. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.